In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a sheet, report, or dashboard in Smartsheet. If you need to give someone access to your work in Smartsheet, the sharing process is simple and only takes a moment once you know where everything is. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to share the exact item you want, choose the right level of access, and make sure the invitation was sent correctly. To begin, open the Smartsheet sheet, report, or dashboard that you want to share. Make sure you're in the correct item before moving forward, since sharing settings apply only to the specific sheet, report, or dashboard you currently have open. Taking a second to confirm this now can help avoid sending access to the wrong content. Once it's open, click the share button. You'll usually find this near the top of the screen. This opens the sharing panel where you can invite other people and manage who already has access. If you've shared the item before, you may also see a list of existing collaborators here. Next, enter the email address of the person you want to invite. Be careful to type the address correctly, since this is where the invitation will be sent. If the email is entered incorrectly, the person may never receive access, so it's always worth double checking before continuing. After that, choose the person's permission level. Smartsheet typically gives you options such as viewer, editor, or admin. Viewer access is best if someone only needs to look at the content without making changes. Editor access is useful when the person needs to update information or collaborate directly in the item. Admin access is more advanced and is generally intended for someone who needs higher level control over settings or management of the item. Choose the permission level carefully based on what that person actually needs to do. If needed, add a message. This can be helpful if you want to explain why you're sharing the item, give a little context, or let the person know what action you want them to take once they receive it. Keep the message clear and brief so the invitation is easy to understand. Then, click Share or Send to complete the invitation. At this point, Smartsheet will send the access invitation to the email address you entered. Finally, confirm that the person appears in the sharing list. This is an important last check because it lets you verify that the invitation was added successfully and that the correct permission level is in place. And that's how to share a sheet, report, or dashboard in Smartsheet quickly and correctly.